Hi guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, it feels so weird to sit in here in front of you guys and film a video. It's been a little while since I've filmed. So today's video is basically going to be me talking about how I saved my skin, meaning how I got my skin back to the way it used to be like a year and a half ago maybe. I've recently started to get like acne scars, like really bad acne scars along my chin, and now they've like completely almost healed, which is amazing. I'm so happy. So today is basically going to be like an updated skincare routine, or basically in my mind how I saved my skin. So if you guys want to continue watching and see what products I recommend and what products worked for me to help get rid of my acne scars, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so this video is kind of going to be all over the place because I'm going to insert a lot of pictures and old footage of like throughout my process of getting rid of my acne scars. So a little bit of backstory, I guess, behind my skin. I have normal to maybe a little bit of a combination skin. My T-zone can kind of get oily sometimes. I never have really gotten any acne on my cheeks. It's more so just in my T-zone. Which is the more oilier part of my face, and I've never struggled with bad skin really ever. I'd get zits here and there, but lately the past year I've really been struggling to like keep the acne scars down. Alright guys, so I decided to add some before and after pictures. So the soonest I could find was in September. So this is it at its worst point, and this is today, which it looks so much better. It's still going down, but it looks great, and I'm super, super happy with my results. And my skin just really went through it the past year. So yeah, I'm going to jump into talking about different remedies that I've done to help take care of my skin and help the acne scars fade. So the first step, obviously, for anybody, I don't care like what type of skin you have, whatever, the best thing to do for your skin is to wash your face. So I have two face washes right here that I have been loving the past while, and the first one that I have to talk about I've been using maybe for about 2 or 3 months, and this stuff works so good. I love this face wash. It is the Biore Baking Soda Pore Cleanser face wash. This stuff is so great. It really helps keep your skin's oiliness like under control, and I really like the way this smells. It's a gel cleanser, which I really like as well. And this just really gets deep down in the pores and just cleans it so well. And then another one that I've been loving, this I actually use to remove my makeup because it's just really good at breaking it all down. This is the Aveeno Clear Complexion Face Wash. It's kind of hard probably to see it. But this stuff is great. It helps keep your acne under control. I used to use just the regular foaming face cleanser, but I decided to give this one a shot, and I do prefer this one because it has a little bit of salicylic acid in it, I think, which is a great ingredient for keeping acne down. And then one thing that I highly recommend to everybody is getting a face brush like this. So I use this face brush in combo with this face wash on it, and this can help deep clean your skin even better than your hands. Because whenever I use this face brush to clean my face, I end up getting even more makeup off my face, because this really gets deep down in the pores and just really helps exfoliate your face as well. Makes your face super soft, and since this vibrates, it's able to just really get in there and get all the dirt out. And this face brush has been a lifesaver for me, and I definitely think it has helped so much. So washing your face, I definitely recommend for sure. Alright guys, the next part of my routine is going to be face masks. Face masks I have loved for years. I think I started doing face masks when I started to discover the beauty like kind of industry, and that was like when I was 12 years old, so that was like 6 years ago I started to really invest in like face masks And I have just a huge container over here sitting. I probably have gone through like over 50 things of face masks. Like I love them so much. Face masks that I recommend, I love sheet masks as well, but most of these I'm going to talk about are clay masks. And this one I've been using a lot recently. It is the Brightening Wash Off Mask by Daniele. I found this at a like thrift shop or whatever in around town, and I really love this one. It's a great clay mask, really softens up your face, really helps brighten your skin, and I just love it. This has been getting some good loving for sure. Definitely recommend this face mask if you can find it. This one I also picked up at the same place, and this is the Purez Apothecary Dead Sea Salt Vitamin D face mask. This is really good, very hydrating, very calming and soothing to the skin. Really do like this face mask. And then two that I think have really helped fade my acne scars the most are the new Clean and Clear Triple Acne Cleansing Clay Mask. Love this face mask. Great for trying to help get rid of acne and even acne scars. It really helped fade my acne scars, especially because my scars for a long time, the redness would go down a little bit, but the thing that sucked about it was the bumps. But this face mask was great at doing that. And then also this one that is actually empty. I need to get a new refill. And this is the L'Oreal Exfoliating Face Mask. Really love this face mask. Obviously you can see this jar is like completely empty. Really love this face mask. Very exfoliating and also just really helps get rid of redness and also just is a great face mask in general. So face masks I think definitely really helped my skin, and I couldn't recommend these ones more. Alright, the next thing I'm going to talk about is toner. Now, I didn't start using toner until about 6-7 months ago. I was always very scared to try toner because you have to be really careful what's out there right now, because a lot of it has a lot of alcohol, which alcohol dries out your skin. And I do not want to have dry skin. I used to have dry skin years ago, and it's taken me a lot to get it to where it is today. I used to have really bad, dry, flaky, red skin, and taking care of it the way I have growing up has been the best decision ever. But I never used a toner because I was just really afraid of drying out my skin. And so I started about 6 months ago using this one. It's an alcohol-free toner that I found from Neutrogena, and it's just called alcohol-free toner. This toner, I've used like 3 bottles of it, and I really do like it. And I could notice some difference with it. It didn't dry out my skin. It helped lighten up the scars a little bit, but it didn't really do a whole lot. So about a month ago, I decided to try the Burt's Bees Acne Solutions Toner. And this is 99.5% natural, which that's also one thing I love about the Burt's Bees brand. And this has 1% of salicylic acid or acne treatment. And this does have alcohol, but it's 99.5% natural. So I consider that a little bit better than some of the other toners. And this is probably about half full. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've had this for about a month and it's about half full. And what I do is I just take some of my hand and just rub it into my skin. Or you can dump some on a cotton ball and rub that across your face. But I love this toner. It doesn't dry out my skin, and it helped my acne scars, I want to say, probably the most out of a lot of my products. This toner was like so great, and I'm so glad that I tried it. It's really non-drying. It really does help keep your acne down. Just a great toner in general. So if you're looking for a great toner, I definitely recommend this one. Alright, the next thing I'm going to talk about is serums. So I love using them. They're great. They're basically like the great ingredients of a moisturizer, but more concentrated, if that kind of makes sense. So 2 that I've been using for the past, I want to say year-ish, is the Advanced Clinicals Retinol one, and then the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C. I love these two so much. They're really cheap actually, and they work great. I like both of them a lot because retinol is what kind of helps tame acne down. It's like the purest form of vitamin A that you can get. And this is also very great for like anti-wrinkle, and it says it has aloe vera and green tea, which is great for softening the skin and brightening the skin. So love this one for sure. And then vitamin C helps target like dark spots and just really brightens your complexion. And so both these serums are like $5 each, great price, and they work great. And then one that I had used for a little bit, I think it's worth mentioning if you have dry skin that has acne, because this ended up not really working out for me just because it made my skin a little oily. But if you had dry skin, I definitely would recommend this. This is the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Oil, and this is really cool. It has like a dropper, so you just press this button, and then it comes in a dropper. And so you can really control how much you use of this, which is great. And this smells great. You can use it on your face, hair, and your body, which is great. I've never tried it on my body or my hair, but I have tried it on my face, and it was just a little too oily for me personally. But I think this would be great for people who have dry skin. So definitely check out Serums if you guys want to have like more hydrated, firmer looking skin, and just I couldn't recommend to use a serum enough. Alright, so this next product I'm not going to go into a lot, but this is just a 24 karat eye cream. Really like this. It works great, keeps my eyes nice and hydrated. This is a great eye serum. I love it. It's cheap and affordable and lasts a long time. So then I, of course, you guys know, use my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I've never turned away from it. It's great. I love that so much. So this is where I'm going to really get into stuff that I really think saved my skin. Because before I added these things in, my skin 2 months ago, I can insert pictures, and it still wasn't great. And they still just weren't, my acne scars just weren't going down. These products right here really helped, and one of them specifically. So I'm going to start talking about this acne gel. This is the Rapid Clear Acne Eliminating Spot Gel. Really like this. It really does help fade your acne scars. And if I can feel like some acne popping up, I just hurry and put this on it, and by the next day it's like gone. This stuff works so good. It doesn't dry out my skin, make it super flaky, because I actually used to use my brother's retinol cream like 2 years ago whenever I'd get acne, and if I used it for more than like 3 or 4 days in a row, my skin would start to flake and get itchy and red. And with this doesn't do it to me. And this has 2% of salicylic acid, so it's not super strong, but it is really effective, if that makes sense. So really like this acne fighting gel, and I really think this helped so much. The next thing I'm going to talk about is a light therapy device. I've only used this for about maybe a month or two, and I haven't noticed too much of a difference, but I'll definitely let you guys know once I keep using it more often if I can actually see a difference. But I bought this one on Amazon. I think it was about maybe $30-$40. And this has like 4 different types of lights for different skin concerns. So I decided to give it a shot. Not sure how I feel about it yet, but I'll let you know. So I thought that was worth mentioning that I actually do use. Now, this is my tried and true secret to how I really think I got my acne down, and that is using a derma roller. So you have to be really careful with derma rollers because you really can damage your skin if you're not careful. This one I bought at Walmart for about $10, and what I do is I just take it, and it's little mini needles on this, and what you do is you rub it across your skin. And you have to be really careful. If you switch directions, you don't want to turn like this because this is straight. What you do is you take it, go like this, and once you're ready to move to a different spot, you pick it up and then go the other direction. And I use this every night. I started this on December 8th of 2018. And today is February 11th when I'm filming this. So I've been doing this for about 2 months, and I can insert a before and after picture hopefully here now or in a second after this clip of how my skin looked before I started the derma roller and after I started it. And this has made such a difference in my skin. So what a derma roller does is, as you're basically puncturing your skin, it's causing new, like, your blood to come heal that area, which thus heals your skin, makes the cell turn over and basically heal that area. So with scars, stretch marks, like whatever, this is great to use because it really helps get the blood to flow to that area, heal the skin, and just make it brand new. So this is great. And honestly, I use rubbing alcohol on it every night after I use it and just let it dry so that it stays sterile, because obviously you want to make sure you really wash it, and do not share this with like your friends or your family or whatever, because you do not want to get like bacteria pushed into your skin. So this derma roller is great. I absolutely love it, and I make sure to keep this clear thing on it just so it doesn't like fall or get germs all over it. But the derma roller, honestly, I don't think hurts. It's obviously like a little like different to get used to, but it does not like hurt. And I'll try and see if I can get a close-up video for you guys really quick to show you what this looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the derma roller looks like, and it's basically just little teeny needles and a bunch of rows, and this is how I use it across my face, and it works great. Alright guys, so that's basically how I take care of my skin and how I basically got rid of my acne scars. So I'll make sure that I insert pictures and videos and things so you guys can really see the difference, but I'm just so grateful to have my old skin back and just be more confident with my own skin again. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!